nice early Keith Richard haircut here. You're fabulous.
Like I said, he gave me some really amazing haircuts, but
yeah,
boy, some of them, that last one was too much.
But it's turning out really nice, really good. That's a nice hair for it too.
Like gray hair?
No gray hair. You look like Keith Richard? Totally, the new Keith Richard lead. Oh yeah. Here they come, the beautiful ones. Right on, David.
Hey, you're the man.
Right on, David.
Talk to you later, huh?
Talk to you later, buddy.
See you later.
See you later.
Thank you.
Thank you.